Hey guys, my name's Justin and welcome to Hellsboro, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. And if you care too, make sure you subscribe. Told you I was gonna keep doing it. So for today's video, I actually have another unboxing. Woo! I almost dropped it. Woo! So this is kind of like complimentary to the birthday unboxing that I did. So I have a birthday unboxing and I'll link it. But one of the bags I ended up returning because I ended up being a little, say, like less than happy with what I ended up with. So for a quick recap, I actually bought the bag in store, but there was a situation where like I asked if it came in other colors. The salesperson basically told me, no, there's like one other color and it wasn't a color I was interested in, and so I just ended up buying it because I was in the buying mood because it was my birthday. And it turns out there were other colors, and then once I started really looking at the bag and started thinking about it, I realized it wasn't what I wanted from a bag. I was looking for an everyday bag, and for me, I know for a fact that for an everyday bag, I wanted it to have, of course, a strap, and I wanted to have a handle, and then I wanted to close securely. And I also like a little bit of structure. And the bag that I ended up getting, it wasn't structured. I didn't really think the closure was that great. It had a really great strap, and that's actually what caused me to want it initially, but then it didn't have a top handle, which is kind of like one of the main ways I like carrying my bags. So to make a long story long, I ended up returning that bag and I found another bag to replace it. So here's the I feel like such a loser. I don't know, I'm just like in a silly, goofy mood. I don't know why I'm finding it so funny to say this is the box. Alright, so here's the box. Alright, let's dig in. And then, so I bought it online. I actually have a video of why I prefer to buy things online, so check it out. Alright, let's peel off this. I love that everything is gray. So this is actually my first like straight up Balenciaga bag that I bought firsthand, like from the store. And it's so funny that everything is gray. Like the box is gray, the paper is gray, the tags and this thing are gray. But yeah, this is the bag. Okay, it's super tiny, but I like it. You can already see it from the handle. Yee! We're not keeping that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Alright, so this is the extra small hourglass in the black glitter material from Balenciaga. Oh my god, it's like wrapped. Okay, I guess you're in for a ride with me. We're gonna take all the little pieces off together, because I see when people like don't do it and they just do it off camera, and I'm like, no, I want that. I want to experience it. So here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I guess, pop it out. Yeah. And then the strap came with one attached, but I guess so you can like easily slide it off. Cool. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. I'm literally obsessed with this bag, you guys. I don't think you understand. Okay. I think I want to take off the hardware for the last. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so I just like, I feel like such a nerd because I'm so happy. But just a little bit of foam. What's this? Paper. What? Okay, yeah, that's everything. And then let's close this bag and then take out. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I love her. So it's like a little tiny bag. I'm obsessed. I love the glitter material. When I went to return the other bag, I just wanted to walk around and like, there's a new Balenciaga store, still a franchise, that opened up, but I wanted to check it out and see if there was anything interesting. And I know there's a glitter material bag that came in gray that's like super sparkly, super shiny. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is like insane. I liked how sparkly it was, but I knew that that amount of sparkle wasn't for me. But one of the things that I liked about that bag is when you took a look at it under the light and kind of like shifted it, it almost looked like a hologram. It was like kind of spacey, and it like the glitter like shifted and it twinkled on and off. So that actually is what drew me to this bag, and I thought it would be interesting, and I was hoping that it wasn't going to be as like shiny as that one is, and it doesn't. It almost looks like static or something when you look at it and like you shift it. It's crazy. I feel like I'm like on something because it looks insane. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but oh my god, it's so cute. So this bag in this material only comes in the extra small size, but that's perfect because one of my favorite bags to run short errands with is my small Telfar in black. Oh, my outfit. Black just works with most of my outfits. So I really wanted a black bag, but then my main thing about if I want an actual like everyday bag that I might be out for like a few hours or even a day, I wanted something that closed securely, because the Telfar being open, I never feel insecure with it, but like being the absent-minded kind of person I am, I know like I would be the one to like drop something, or you know, like have something like spill out of my bag and not realize it, and then oops, I lost my house keys, you know? And I don't know, after like getting like that hourglass shape, I really loved it, but I wanted something smaller and a bit more manageable. And I am obsessed, so I'm pretty sure this one's actually gonna stay in my collection. So in my birthday haul video, I actually mentioned like, oh, keep an eye out for first impression of that bag, and I returned it, so keep an eye out for a first impression of this bag. But yeah, so that's all I got today. I got a new bag. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It lets me know that you like this kind of content and that you too care about the design behind designer luxury. Until next time, I love you.